Hello YouTube, and welcome to a very snowy Snowdonia. Bad news, there's no Ellie today and there's no Florence. It's just me, the mountains and my camera. So we are going up the Aran Ridge basically. There is another name for it. It's down there in the description. It's about a 3-4 mile walk in. It's about 905 meters. Right, okay, bag is packed. Let's get rocking. Sorry if I look a bit crazy with a GoPro strapped to my head, but it's the first time I've actually tried it, just to get a different perspective. So, we'll see how it goes. About 5:30, I've just been walking around. Didn't manage to make it up to the top of the ridge because it's just too windy and I knew I wouldn't be able to camp up there. So I'm going to have a look down here. Sun has just gone down and it's getting a bit chilly and I'm starting to get hungry, so I need to get the tent up, get inside and get nice and warm. But first we need to find a pitch, and it's so boggy around here and everything underfoot is frozen, so what looks like a flat pitch, you stand on it and you can hear it creaking. It's quite eerie, so I don't really want to pitch a tent on thin ice, you know, so we will see. Right, let's get going. Right, welcome to the tent. It is up, which was a bit of a mission because it was hailstoning and about 35 mile an hour winds whipping across them, coming off the top of the mountain. And this tent, ideally it's a 3-season. It will withstand sort of the wind, but it was flapping everywhere. The pegs were just pinging straight out of the ground because it's so soft. Just over there they must be doing the fences, so they had a big pile of fence posts, so I've literally like pinned down all the guys with these fence posts, and I'll show you in the morning. It's pretty mad. So hopefully the tent won't be going anywhere now. Food tastes so good when you're on the mountain. Even if it is dehydrated out of a bag. Good morning on this very freezing cold Snowdonia mountain, and it was icy last night, lots of frost, lots of snow. I'm just boiling up the jet boil, which was, I left a little bit of water in there and it was frozen solid. Time for some hot porridge. Again, this is nice expedition breakfast. I tried a few different porridges and stuff. I've made my own and stuff like this, but I really like this stuff. So there's the old coffee, and as you can see, it's just starting to brighten up. It was a cold night, the bag is frozen, and here is my fence posts which held it in. So I've got one there, two at the back, I think I put 4 on there because this was the side which kept moving because the wind was rushing over the top. And it's gorgeous. There's a bit of cloud coming in from over there. Sun is just coming up there, so I thought I'd just do a little time lapse. We are all packed up and ready to go. It is absolutely glorious morning. I think I chose a good spot actually. If I'd have been any higher, I wouldn't be seeing nothing this morning. I'm just slightly down, so less wind, nice views. Amazing, really nice trip out, and I'm so glad that I stayed. I'd have been gutted if I'd have slept in the car. But we did it! I am so glad I camped up there because it was pretty gnarly coming down. It was the path was non-existent in places, and because there's snow in the crevices, you put your foot down and you go straight into a hole. So it wouldn't have been fun coming down here. But what an absolutely stunning day. Snowdonia did not disappoint once again. We have finally got to the car, and what an amazing trip out that was. So glad that I stayed up on the top thanks to the fence post. Beautiful morning, it's a lovely day today. I hope you've enjoyed coming along. Sorry there's no Florence or Ellie in this video, but hopefully next time we'll be back together again. But feel free to give us a subscribe. Any questions, just drop us a comment, and thanks again for coming along.
Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you can be the first to hear of all our new adventures. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up and let us know what you thought in the comments below.